Afeyenko epoye mantemo kromafo a womo ewo Nkruakan huhunya boti ne Asesewa a womo fa sa ekwan yi eso ebi ya hyenkafo ene akwantufo womo ekyerese sa kwan yi a womo ka ho asem yelo krobo a ewo epoye mantem potem baby ene kwan no wo be se mfie miensani na mpanifo de won sabe kan ye se aya na kwan no enye no wo yensiesie ede ama wo emfrihia miensantem ni no womo ajato ho sa enti akwantufo ahyenkafo ene kromafo no esre se kwan no wo mawie ma won fi se ha adwen
abusuya ha Nkruakan edwakese pa oba epoye mantem ha kan edwa makomako enan a ye kese pa ewa ha nanso akwan a ya efa so ba ha nyina enye papa enam so madom kase aba ene nipa bi a ya wo mpatam ho adwadifo ebedi nkomo ahwese ne a wo kwan no esi atete apansam afa
every Asesewa ebetwem kokofo dan de obehwe senia every efa say from baby apesoa ekopim baby a yesi secondary school fufuro no eho de enya kura enam so kura ampo no ya ma school for omu ko school moto do won ko hwe ase
omu company say kwan no say instead of say kwan no say no so mu to fit crack instead of say 15 minutes and 10 minutes journey and say madu ko fo dia no mu taking about 45 minutes you say kwan no ye panichew omra be ye maye
dey almost 30 years ni na road is here na azobes say ye hu dey be kan fa ho ya kan on be ye do politics so a ni ya say da be dwudwuru so bia no mu dey say kota bia guso nso tope na dwuregu
adwadefo maybe ene adom kase eche hawa ya wo fam abra wo fa ekwan a enye so abedwa so abeton ade
ye kwan ne die sese die asai kra me sister na no ye fikrom eba onyem ye bedru ye no na nyinsen na asai para omunya ready se o meya kwa ya mo adwuri kwa ni so aha ya tikura efuturo nkwa ya yale ya hospital mo si ewe ewo efia ba ya mojani
emrase bedwani a ya wono ewo yilo krobo abatom peso aso onumenyamfo tete nyakote na wo kire nsem mu kire adom kase kire mu se
has begun, but I understand the contractor has not received payments and they abandoned the road. My concern is from Sikaben Junction to Agogo and then Sutapon Pesca and then from Huhunya to Boti Falls. I mean, Boti is a huge source of income for the assembly. And if Boti is operating, I'm sure a lot of people who will sell items will benefit.
Epoye mantem soafo enonyamfo set Kwame Echampon woni Adom TV ekasa ayefa kwan a ya asai ewo Nkruakan no eho.
Corridor to here. Already the road from Corridor Nkruakan all the way to Asesewa is under construction and the contractor is on the road. What is left is from Sikabeng, the main junction that you turn to come to Agogo, all the way through this town to another town called Hiamanchine, which is not in this